Welcome back to Naiwen Chinese. I'm Mia. Well, it's a pretty hot day today. Now it's around 6:50 and temperature 29 degrees. A little bit breeze. Yeah. So after the plumber season and the typhoon, we had several scorching hot days. Highest temperature was like 36 degrees, and today it's actually better, only 33. And I see a lot of clouds today, and probably we're going to have some cloudy, rainy weather this week. And today I want to show you one ingredient that Chinese people love to put into soups or beverages in summer. Let's find out. Okay, now I'm gonna order a beverage with that magic ingredient.你好，我要一个绿豆冰，中杯的，3分吧，可以去，就是少冰或者去冰吗？只能冰沙，好吧。Finished ordering, now waiting for my 绿豆冰。Alright, I got my drink. This is the 绿豆冰。Smoothie made with monk bean, 绿豆. See, a lot of these here on the bottom are 绿豆, monk bean. Yeah, that's the ingredient I'm talking about. 绿 means green, 豆 means bean. So literally, green bean. So that's 绿豆, monk bean, the English name. Just not to confuse with that green bean, another kind of plant. Yeah, so Chinese people really love to eat 绿豆in summer. We put 绿豆 in soups, in stews, in desserts, in beverages like a smoothie or so, and we think it's very good for your health. An interesting soup. I got 绿豆. I got some kind of jelly, 波波 again, and smoothie. So ice. Yeah, very refreshing in summer. Really like it. It got several layers. The upper part, the smoothie part with ice, is now melting, so you taste some liquid. But on the bottom, you can taste whole pieces of 绿豆. Chewy texture. So 绿豆 has got that very refreshing smell. The texture, if you haven't tasted before, similar to, for example, 红豆, red bean. So, you know, beans, a little bit starchy, that kind of texture, but the smell is very refreshing, very nice. Can suddenly cool you down, really. Also very easy to digest, highly nutritious, super good for body. Alright, that's all for today's episode. Me with the 绿豆冰. If you're visiting China in summer, highly recommend it. And my particular order, I chose 三分糖, so 30% added on sugar syrup. So yeah, that sweetness is okay for me. So if you want sweeter, you can go something like 50%. So yeah. Thanks for watching Night Wing Chinese. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. What's your favorite summer drink at your place? Let me know. I'm really curious. And see you in the next video.